we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections, and just the overall condition of the vehicle. Here on the front right wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Overall, that is in great condition. Tires are 40 by 13.5, 17. They have a ton of tread left on them. All of that looks good. A couple chips here. Upper section looks good. That graphic is clean. Got the shorty antenna with the red here. A couple scratches on the side mirror. A-pillar looks nice. The edges of the hinge are perfect. Same here. I don't see any rock chips. Overall, that door looks good. One tiny rock chip there. That one's perfect. The rest of that door looks good. See a rock chip here, a couple small ones, all very minor. Got a chip in there. And looking at all this, looks really good. Here on this wheel, I do see some scratches right here. Other than that, it's in great condition. And then checking out the steps, a couple scratches here and there. Otherwise, they look good. Kind of getting underneath. Looks really nice. All right, looking at the front end, that lens looks perfect. Same with that one. All of that's in great condition. That light looks good. Very clean. The red is just like a vinyl, and it is ripping and kind of separating. So you're going to see that all throughout the grille. You have a little scratch there. This is vinyl wrapped black as well, so it's green underneath. All of this looks really good. Scanning the hood, nice and clean. Here on the hood edge, looks really good. All right, checking out the engine bay. You got a precision turbo in here. We'll have the full build list on the website. Looks really nice in here. Couple stains on the underhood liner and a small rip. Otherwise, this looks really nice. All right, checking out the driver's side. All of that looks good. Nice and clean. Fender looks good. Overall, that's in great condition. That wheel looks awesome. I don't see any rash or any imperfections that stand out. A couple tiny scuffs on the side mirror. A-pillar looks good. The edges feel nice. A Couple small scuffs. That looks good. That looks good. Couple small rock chips every once in a while, but it's very minimal. That's in great condition. That looks good. You do have some rust right there and a dent in the metal. Same here. That wheel looks good. This side is really, really clean. And then checking out back here, that tire is brand new. Taillight looks good. Got the backup camera here. All of this looks awesome. All right, checking out the cargo area. That looks good. A couple small scuffs here and there on the plastic. Got the liner, Alpine sub. Carpets look good. Really, really nice back here. You have some really dark window tint. All of this looks nice. See the back of the wheel here. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Looking at that door panel, this section's perfect. You do have a little notch out of the leather here. You can see that. Bottom section looks nice. Net has a little sag to it, but overall in great condition. Trim piece looks good. A couple little scuffs getting in and out. That bolster looks really nice. See two small scuffs there on the piping. The rest of that seat is in great condition. Typical wrinkles. Nice matte finish to it still. Overall in great condition. Buttons look nice. That looks good. Scanning the dash. Looks to be in great condition. All of this looks really good. Everything has a nice matte finish to it. Here on the front right door panel, that leather looks good. The net is in great condition. Small scuff here. That trim looks nice. Door jamb's really clean. Handles look good. All of that looks nice. Got the all-weather mats. Bolster's in good condition. Same here. Very little wear on the seats. Got a little wrinkle there. It's not a rip or anything, just a wrinkle. That looks good. All of that's clean. A couple tiny scuffs here. Otherwise, that looks good. This side looks awesome. Here on the back right door panel, that's in great condition. The net's perfect. Missing the trim piece here. That jamb looks nice. Overall looks really good. Tiny scuff right here. The rest of that seat looks nice. The middle section looks good. Here on the back left door panel, it's in great condition. Missing the little trim piece here. Got the all-weather mats. A couple little scuffs here and there on the seat backs, but all very minor. That seat looks nice. Very clean back here.